Download the F9PRO+TTF app. After create and log in the account, click the sign to add lock. Choose all locks. Activate the lock for pairing. Add the device. Name your device. Get in the lock control. Click Passcodes. Continue with Generate Passcodes. Here are different passcode type options. Choose desired option. Follow the instruction to generate the passcode. Choose card. Click Add card. Choose the desired option. Put the card on the card sensor area after naming. Choose fingerprint. Continue with adding fingerprint and choose the desired option. Choose to start. Enrollment starts when the indicator light on. Follow the instruction to place your finger several times. Go to the setting. Choose passenger mode. Activate it. Set the time period. Custom the opening time. Unlock it to activate the mode on the lock. The lock will be remained under unlocked status. Swipe down the page on the setting. Delete the lock. Enter the password of your account. The lock has successfully resetted. Remove the battery cover on the back panel. Use the pin to push the reset button. Push and hold until the prompt voice tells to enter the reset password. Input 000 and confirmed with. The lock is successfully resetted.